Plants, nature's superheroes. Plants may seem quiet, but they're actually busy little factories, each part playing a critical role. Let's dive into what makes them so special and how they create their own food through photosynthesis. 1. The roots, the underground heroes. The roots are like secret agents working underground. Their mission: to find water and nutrients and deliver them to the plant. Imagine roots as straws, sucking up all the essentials a plant needs to survive. They also anchor the plant, keeping it steady even in heavy winds. Without the roots, the plant would be like a balloon in a storm, flopping all over the place. 2. The stem, the plant's highway system. The stem is the ultimate delivery system, transporting water and nutrients from the roots up to the leaves and flowers. Think of the stem as a busy highway, with water going one way and food going the other. Without the stem, the plant wouldn't be able to stand tall and nothing would get where it needs to go. Inside the stem, you've got two important systems: the xylem, which moves water up, and the phloem, which sends food down. It's like the plant's very own plumbing and electrical system. 3. The leaves, the powerhouse of photosynthesis. Now, let's talk about leaves, the real MVPs of the plant world. Leaves are where photosynthesis happens, a process that lets plants make their own food. It's like magic, but with science. Here's how photosynthesis works. The leaves take in carbon dioxide from the air and water from the roots. Chlorophyll, the green pigment in leaves, acts like solar panels, absorbing energy from sunlight. Using sunlight, the leaves combine carbon dioxide and water to create glucose sugar, which the plant uses as food. The process also produces oxygen, which gets released back into the air, and that's great news for us. So, the leaves are the chefs, and the sun is the energy source that powers the kitchen. Photosynthesis is the plant's way of turning sunlight into a tasty sugar snack that fuels its growth. Without this process, plants couldn't survive, and neither could we, because they're constantly making the oxygen we breathe. 4. The sun, the power source. Speaking of sunlight, the sun is like a giant battery, providing the energy plants need for photosynthesis. Without the sun, the whole process shuts down. No sunlight, no food for the plant. That's why plants stretch toward the light. It's their way of catching as many sunbeams as possible to power their food factory. 5. The flowers, nature's attention getters. Flowers are the flashy part of the plant, designed to attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. They're like nature's party planners, making sure the plant can reproduce. With bright colors and sweet nectar, flowers ensure that the pollen gets spread, allowing new seeds to form. These seeds will grow into the next generation of plants.